Hi my dear students, I hope you all are fine and safe. I am Fauzia N.A., Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Let me welcome you all to this new academic year, even though it's quite different from the usual one. Let us together make the best of what we have in this pandemic situation. Definitely, this year we are going to experience a new way of learning. Of course, the online mode of learning. So, my dear students, you just enjoy and explore it. Shall we begin? In this semester, I am dealing with one of your subjects, Bcom 3 A11 Basic Numerical Methods. As its name indicates, it is very simple mathematics. I think you have already learned most of the topics in this paper in your high school session. And this paper will help you to achieve a good mark in competitive exams like bank test, PSC test, etc. This is a common course having two parts. The first part is mathematics and the second part is statistics. Let us check the syllabus. We have 5 modules. 4 modules for mathematics and 1 module for statistics. And the first module is numerical expressions and equations. And the second module is matrices. And third one is sequences, series and progression. And the fourth module is interest and time value. And the fifth one is descriptive statistics. At the end of this course, you will be able to understand numerical equations, matrices, progression, financial mathematics, descriptive statistics, and their applications. Let us start. Before that, I remind you one thing. Well begun is half done. That means beginning a new project well makes it easier to do the rest. So, wish you all success. Now we move to the first chapter, numerical expressions and equations. What is an equation? An equation is a statement of equality between two expressions. For example, 3x is equal to 6, 3x is equal to 4y minus 7, 3x square plus 4x is equal to 5. If we consider the second example, 3x is equal to 4y minus 7. 3x is a statement and 4y minus 7 is another statement. An equation is the statement of equality between these two expressions. 3x is equal to 4y minus 7. An equation contains one or more unknowns. If we take the first example, 3x is equal to 6. It has only one unknown, that is x. But in the second example, 3x is equal to 4y minus 7. There are two unknowns, that is x and y. And in third example, 3x square plus 4x is equal to 5. There is only one unknown, that is x. Also, an equation is true for some particular values, that is known as values of the unknown. Now, we check the different types of equations. The first one is simple linear equations and one unknown. The example is 4x plus 3 is equal to 7. If we consider the example, we have only one unknown, that is x, and the power of x is 1, that is x is the first degree. X is in first degree. So 4x plus 3 equal to 7 is known as linear equation or first degree equation. In the second type of equation is simultaneous equations of first degree in two unknowns. Example, 3x plus 2y equal to 7 and 4x minus y equal to 5. Two equations are comes together. So it is called simultaneous equations. And here the unknowns are x and y. And the degrees of the unknowns is 1. So it is known as simultaneous equations of first degree in two unknowns. And the third type is simultaneous equations of first degree in three unknowns. It is similar to the second type. There are three equations and three unknowns. Here the unknowns are x, y, z. And the degree of the unknown is 1. The power of x is 1 and the power of y is 1 and the power of z is also 1. And the fourth type is quadratic equation in one unknown. Example is 3x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Here the degree of x is 2. 3x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. The degree of the equation is the highest power of the unknown. Here the highest power of x is 2. So it is known as quadratic equation in one unknown. And the fifth type is simultaneous equation in two unknowns, where the first one is linear and the second is second degree. If we consider the example, x plus 2y equal to 4 and 3x square plus 4xy plus y square minus 5 equal to 0. These two equations comes together and the first one is linear and the number of unknowns is 2, that is x and y, and the second equation is of second degree, that is the highest power of the unknown is 2. So 3x square plus 4xy plus y square minus 5 is of second degree, and these two equations is known as simultaneous equation in two unknowns. Now we move to the problems of simple linear equations in one unknown. The first problem is solve 3x is equal to 6. For this, 3x is equal to 6, divide both sides by 3. Then we get 3x by 3 equal to 6 by 3. 3x by 3 is x and 6 by 3 is 2. So the solution is x is equal to 2. Now we move to the second problem, that is x plus 9 equal to 6. For solving this, consider x plus 9 is equal to 6. And the value, to find the value of x, just take 9 to right side. That is x is equal to 6 minus 9 equal to minus 3. If we transfer LHS to RHS, the sign changes. Here the sign of 9 is plus and it changes to minus 9 if we transfer 9 from LHS to RHS. And the third problem is x minus 5 equal to 6. It is similar to the second problem. X minus 5 equal to 6. To find the value of x, just take the value of take the minus 5 to right side. Then we get x is equal to 6 plus 5 equal to 11. If we take a number from LHS to RHS, its sign changes if it is addition or subtraction. And the fourth problem is x by 2 equal to 8. The solution is x by 2 equal to 8 and x is equal to 8 into 2 equal to 16. To solve such problems, you remind one thing, that if we take one element from RHS to LHS or LHS to RHS, just transfer its sign. That is, if plus 9, then if we transfer it to right side, it becomes minus 9. If we transfer minus 5 to right side, it becomes plus 5. Multiplication become division and division become multiplication and vice versa. Now we check the next question, that is solve 4x plus 7 is equal to 3x plus 12. To solve this, take the x part in LHS and coefficients to another side, constants to another side. That is 4x minus 3x is equal to 12 minus 7. 4x minus 3x is x and 12 minus 7 is 5. So the answer is x is equal to 5. Next problem is 7 into x minus 2 plus 8 into x minus 3 minus 22 equal to x plus 10. To solve this, first open the brackets. That is 7 into x is 7x and 7 minus 7 into 2 plus next term is 8 into x minus 8 into 3 minus 22 equal to x plus 10. To solve such problems, just simplify it first. Then if we open the brackets, we get 7x, 7 into 2 is minus 14 plus 8x, 8 into 3 is 24, then minus 24 minus 22 equal to x plus 10. And if we take x in LHS side and the constant terms into RHS side, we get 7x plus 8x minus x is equal to 10 plus 14 plus 24 plus 22. If we simplify it, we get 14x is equal to 17 and x is 17 by 14. That is x is equal to 5. And the next problem is find two numbers whose sum is 30 and difference is 4. We have to find two numbers such that their sum is 30 and the difference is 4. For this, first let first number as x. It is given that sum of two numbers is 30. If we let first number as x, then the second number should be 30 minus x. And also it given that difference is 4. That means second number minus first number equal to 4. Here second number is 30 minus x and for first number is x. 30 minus x equal to 4. Minus x is minus 2x. That is 30 minus 2x is 4. If we take constants in our LHS and 2x into other side, we get 30 minus 4 is equal to 2x. 30 minus 4 is 26. 26 is equal to 2x. That is 2x is equal to 26. Then the value of x is 26 by 2, that is 13. The first number is 13 and the second number is 30 minus x, that is 30 minus 13, that is 17. And the next question is 2/3 of a number increased by 5 equals 27. Find the number. We have to find a number such that 2/3 of a number increased by 5 equals to 27. For this, first let the number as x. And 2/3 of a number means 2 by 3 into x. 2/3 of a number increased by 5 means 2 by 3 plus, 2 by 3x plus 5 equal to 27. And if we take the constants to RHS side, we get 2 by 3x is equal to 27 minus 5. And 2 by 3x is 22. And if we simplify it, we get 2x is equal to 22 into 3. 22 into 3 is 66. 2x is equal to 66. Then x is equal to 66 by 2, which is equal to 33. If we solve such questions, once you remind that if we take one number from LHS to RHS, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction becomes addition, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication, and so on. So, I hope you get it. You got it. Thanks for watching.